guys, Steph here. Now I still get lots of messages from people saying, Steph, what pens have you got available? Now, without doing a very long list, which well, I haven't got time to do, what I suggest is look at my pen haul videos that I've done in the past. There's still some lovely pens available, all subject to restoration. There's a lot of lovely pens just waiting to be restored and then to find new homes. So, as an example, I had a gentleman, so maybe a week or so ago, got in touch and he said, well, I'm looking for 3 pens, and he wasn't too sure, and he wanted that, and he wanted this. So what we did, he looked at some of the videos, some of the pen haul videos, we sent some emails back and forth, and basically what he did, he sort of decided on 3 pens. First, he saw this particular pen here. As you can see, comes from a pen haul in sort of, I think it might have been a few months ago, this one, and decided upon that one and said, can you reserve that for me, can you restore that pen for me? And here's the pen in question, an absolutely gorgeous Parker Victory fountain pen. You can see it's got a lovely barrel imprint there. As with a lot of pens from my pen haul videos, some of them are very sort of tired and they're in need of restoration. You can see this one's what we term as a aluminium or AF filler, and if we take the cap off, give you a couple of twirls like so. Incidentally, one of the sort of things that the gentleman wanted was he wanted basically, and well, he wanted fine nibs because of the work that he was actually doing, or the way he was actually writing. He preferred fine nibs. In this particular case, this particular pen came with a stub or a broad nib, so I've actually changed it for a fine nib for that particular gentleman. But all in all, as you can see, it is now in absolutely gorgeous condition, having been fully restored. This pen, the Parker Victory, I'm dating from around about the late 1940s, very early 1950s. So this one's ready to go to that particular gentleman. He also wanted another pen, and yet again what he did, he looked at the videos and he saw this one here, again from one of my pen hauls from a little while back, little bit tired, just needs a little bit of TLC. And after the TLC, look at this gorgeous, handsome fountain pen. Now let's have a look at the barrel imprint. It's actually clear, but because of the sort of pattern on this particular pen, I don't know if it's actually legible or if you can see it. I think it's there, but it's a Conway Stewart number 27, made in England, and comes in this gorgeous grey hatch pattern with this large cap band, as you can see there, this very recognisable Conway Stewart clip, the black diamond sort of, not the black, the sort of tipped jewel to the very top there. An absolutely stunning example now. As I say, it was a little bit tired. I've fully restored it. Everything's been disassembled. Everything's been thoroughly cleaned. We've put a new sack in the pen, and again it is now ready to go to a new home to that gentleman in question. You can see this one's a lever fill pen. It's got the correct Conway Stewart nib there, and well, coincidentally this particular one I believe is a fine nib. Okay, so we didn't need to do anything with it. Okay, but a lovely example, very sought after in this hatch pattern. There you go, let's give you a closer view of it there. So a Conway Stewart 27. This one I'm dating around about the 1950s. Gorgeous, gorgeous pen. So after that one then, he was also looking for a third pen. Again, after looking at the videos, the pen haul videos, he saw this example here. A lovely brown and black pen in marbling. Again, a little bit tired, but he was interested in it. And here's the pen in question once again, having been fully restored. It's absolutely gorgeous. What we've got here is a Mentmore Auto Flow. If I turn it round, you can see this one. This one's a lever filled fountain pen. Let's see if we can see there's the barrel imprint again. Don't know how clear it'll be for you, but it actually reads Mentmore Auto Flow. This one comes with quite a thin cap band, as you can see. It comes with the very recognisable bowl clip, and to the very top it's got the letter M for Mentmore. And then to the very top we've got this black cap stud there to the very top. That was a little bit discoloured, but what we've done, we've cleaned everything, disassembled everything, new sack, etc. And once again it's ready to go to the customer. Okay, so there we go. We've got a lovely Mentmore nib there. There's a sideways view. Even the feed, all the feeds, as you've seen in all my videos, are lovely and clean and ready to go. Now, as I said, the gentleman sort of specifically asked for a fine nib. So most times what I tend to do, I don't like changing nibs. I like leaving pens as well as original as possible, but what we've done, we've kept this nib. I think this one's a fine nib, so let's see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to simply do a dip test. Okay, so we've got a Mentmore Auto Flow in sort of black and brown, dating it from, what did we say, the Mentmore from, actually we didn't date it, we're dating this one from around about 1930s, 1940s, in lovely condition. And as you can see, this is very nice indeed, writing with a fine line, which is specifically what the customer asked. What we'll do, we'll clean the nib before it goes out to the customer. So a Mentmore Auto Flow with a fine line. Let's bring on again the Conway Stewart 27. Let's dip that as well. Okay, so what we've got here is a Conway Stewart, and this is a number 27, and this one made in England, and this one, what did we say it was, from around about the 1950s. Once again, writing with a fine line. So that's 2 out of 2. Okay, that's fine. And last but not least, the Parker Victory. Let's dip that. So what we've got is a Parker Victory, made in England as well. Made in England. And the Parker Victory, what do we date that? We're dating that sort of late 1940s, early 1950s. And once again, writing with a fine line. So he was quite specific. The gentleman wanted a fine nib. So as we can see on each pen, the Mentmore, the Conway, the Victory, all writing with a fine line. Okay, so I'm sure he's going to be happy with them, with the fine nibs that they've got, the fine writing, which is specifically what he asked for. So there we have it, another 3 pens that have found new home, and they'll be shipped very soon overseas. So just an example to show you, there's some lovely pens available. You need to go and have a look at the pen haul videos. If there's anything that you see that you like, get in touch. Okay, down below there, get in touch. So once again, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to the channel, don't be shy as well. Just there, give the video a thumbs up please, it helps me with my videos. But just for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and these 3 gorgeous pens, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.